should all work.
Just picks it up.
So I was flying my drone in front of my hotel at Porto Antigo last night, and I lost connection of the drone and it flew straight into the water right there. I thought it was gone forever. This morning, a spearfisher was snorkeling through and he found this weird thing in the water and he brought it on shore and he had no idea what it was. And someone in the hotel was like, "Oh, this guy was flying that last night." I got it back from the guy.
As we were looking for it.
As we were looking for it. We were just looking for it, about to go for a swim. And then the guy walks over and he hands me this drone with fishing line wrapped around the motors and shells inside of it. And most of it is actually salvageable, and I have enough spare parts that I think I can get it flying again. I've got a colony of sea snails living in my drone now. Today we're going to be flying the drone in these abandoned old hotels that are half built because it's pretty fun. And we've got a crowd.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay. All done. Crashed. It's all good. Okay, so we're in Palmera, which is kind of the shipping port town here, and I'm gonna go fly through the sailboats right there.
Oh, within the first 5 seconds of the flight, he flew straight into the rigging of a sailboat. I saw the drone bounce off, but he's still alive. It's still in the air.
I flew straight into the shrouds of a sailboat over the water, and it bounced between them like 4 times and then popped out and somehow was still in the air, so really lucky. Catalina is big salt flats inside of a crater.